Hi, my name is Mike, and I'm going to show you how to change your hydraulic return filter and your hydraulic tank breather on an 85G.
You can purchase hydraulic filters and premium hydraulic oil at FortisHD.com. You'll need a hydraulic filter with O-ring, and we also recommend you changing the breather filter. You may also need to top up your oil using Tekamo AW46. If you're doing this service yourself, make it easy and purchase one of our service kits that will have every filter you need. FortisHD.com. Special thanks to TekamoHD for providing the mechanical expertise seen in this video. If you need to book a mechanic, reach out at TekamoHD.com.
So I want to start with relieving the tank pressure by just pressing this button. And you need to remove this top plate here. When you're loosening these, try to leave your hardware just threaded in a few, because there'll usually be a spring under here. Then you just push down on it, spin these out by hand. Then when you take these off, watch your spring doesn't fall off into there. It won't fall in, but, and then there's your return filter. Ooh. Hydraulic return filter. Oh, clean up our sealing surface. The inside has another seal on it, so you'll feel when it's into the position where it needs to be, and then you just kind of give it a push down, lock in there, and that's installed. So when you're putting these back on, your caps, put a new seal on, lubricate your seal. I put a little extra lube down there just to hold it on when you flip it over, but it has this little standoff here, and that you want to line up with your filter, and that just holds it there in place. You can feel it there, and then you can just turn it to line up there for your holes. And you want to get them evenly down, so star pattern on the torque. So then you're going to go over to your breather cap here, so where your tank pressure release valve is, just get a pick, and you just got to pop this boot off here. There you go, it's not that tight. Unthread your jam nut, unthread this little cover, tank breather filter, and you get your new one. Nothing special, and that's it. Pop the boot back over. So after you're done changing your filters, it's always good to check your hydraulic oil. This way it'll show you the way you need to have your machine positioned so you get the accurate readings. And then right back here is your sight glass for your tank level. Right there is good. And if you need to top up your hydraulic tank or fill it, just a number 5 Allen key or Allen socket. You take these 4 bolts off, you can pop that off and then clear access to the tank. And that's how you change your hydraulic return filter and your hydraulic tank breather filter on an 85G.
If you don't have time to do the service yourself, or you want to get on a preventative maintenance program, reach out to TekamoHD.com, and they can set you up with a heavy-duty mechanic in your area.